Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you all onto my channel, guys. I hope that everyone is good, when I'm going to leave this the full story, a link of the full story in the description column below. To make sure that you check it out. Mawuthola isikhathi, and when yazi makuthiwa abantu izinto ezingenzeki kubantu kwabanye ziyenzeka. This is what they mean. I'm just going to try and sum up the whole story. This is alleged, by the way. And yeah, Shuti, apparently there's a 13-year-old girl who has disappeared, but she has recently been found. Thank God for that. She's recently been found by amaphoyisa. What they are saying is that she was in a relationship, or something was happening between her and a 25-year-old stupid fool who needs to be arrested and remain behind bars for a lot of crimes. Yes, Shuti, apparently the 25-year-old was a tenant in the property of the girl's family, and then Shuti, it has also been alleged Guti, the mother has reprimanded the relationship of happening and anything like that, of which namaphoyisa kumele aye kuwo. As thing is, guys, sometimes we take certain things lightly. As thing is, in the as serious, like we found immediately. Angazi noma uyini noma kayang, but bekumele immediately make to find out all of this. She was supposed to go to emaphoyiseni abophise lenja, abophe lenja. You understand? But then again, they say that the girl has been found, and a week after she has been missing, and utholakale kanjani beya kwi-local clinic ehamba with the sister, or the alleged sister, of the 25-year-old. Stupid fuck. So now umbuzo wami ukuthi uyazi baningi abagulayo abantu. This 25-year-old, first thing first, that bores me. Everywhere when I try to search, I come through or a passage, akukho laba reveal identity yale fool, akukho laba reveal khona identity yale stupid fool, that a criminal inja, akukho nje laba reveal lo besha magama akhe busy telling us about ingane le ntombazana. They're also supposed to reveal information of le ntombazana. Mina guys, I believe ukuthi yes, if ukuthi ingane uyo osuke lahlekile ne, yes kuzokhishwa information yakhe, but I believe ukuthi that is normally done because laba basuke bemthathile, or laba basuke besuspect ukuthi bamthathile, kusuke kungaziwa ukuthi uba. You understand? Kusuke ngazi ukuthi oba, but ngoba kusekaziwa ukuthi khona umuntu la o-alert, bebefanele besikhiphele ne-information yaloyo. Njengoba sekwaziwa ukuthi utholakele no sister walenja, befake ukhishwe information ukuthi kuthiwa yilo, manje kuthiwa this man is out at large. Bekumele kukhishwe information ney'thombe zakhe ezokhona ukuthi anqutshuzwe mahlangana naye before ukuthi ahandwe in, allegedly, before ahandwe in. You understand? I understand. This man's information has not been disclosed. This is the picture that I saw, man. Yes, that is the picture that I saw. That's the only thing. Futhi nakhona umboni kahle le fuck him. Cha benza ihorrible nje lo msebenzi wabo wenza kanje kahle, befake keep information yalo muntu, nihlezi nikhipha information of ama criminals, people who are flat emajele, nisho ukuthi usibanibani unjani, height and all of that, and keep ama information of. No, this time around they decided to be like, as in a 25-year-old, a 25-year-old. Come on, azangixakake. Nalo mama khona kuthiwa she even allegedly allowed them to share a bed. Kanjani ke? Uyabona ukuthi baningi abantu fabeboshwe la. Baningi abantu fabeboshwe la. Yo. Nale ndaba yazi ikazi iphuma kanjani? Uyoshilo. Lo mama yazi right futhi lo mama mekwazi ukukhuluma iqiniso. Nalo baba if bekhona bethamshiye lo mama ayoboshwa. ukuthi yakayenziwa kanjani-ke leyo nto. I-problem ile yenu guys. Just because you stayed with a person as a tenant or usuwaze umuntu for few damn seconds, usuvele ufile ngathi usibani uyamthemba, uyamazi wena. Cha nje fanele ushekele umama nalo 25-year-old nalo sisi wakhona, because nalo sisi wakhona befahambe ayoreporta le ndaba le ukuthi ubhuti wala ekhaya ubusy ne-minor, because nalo sisi wakhona ebengeke azayivume le ndaba, ebengeke azayivume. Same thing applies to good Nile, a 25-year-old hooligan who is a fucked up criminal who's supposed to be kept behind bars forever and ever. Amen. Kayang Linda. Yang pora. Yo. Nasa pora yaki. Tell me what you think about this whole story down below. Make sure that you check it out with the description column below. Yang pora Linda.